So today we are going to discuss hormones of gastrointestinal tract. Gastrointestinal tract means alimentary canal. So some cells in the mucosa of gastrointestinal tract are endocrine in nature and that cells secrete some hormones. Gastrointestinal tract, this is the diagram of gastrointestinal tract. This is food pipe or esophagus. Food pipe or esophagus leads to stomach. This is stomach, and stomach leads to small intestine. So this is small intestine. Small intestine consists of three parts, that is duodenum, then jejunum and ileum. So this is the small intestine, and small intestine leads to large intestine. So small intestine continues into large intestine. So this is a small intestine, and see the large intestine, this is large intestine. So this part of large intestine is the cecum, and this is colon, ascending colon, transverse colon and descending colon. Yes, ascending colon, transverse colon and descending colon. Large intestine has larger diameter than small intestine. Small intestine is narrow but long as compared to large intestine. This is the rectum of large intestine and this is anus. So this is our digestive tract or alimentary canal. This is duodenum, and here is the pancreatic duct. So this is pancreatic duct, and pancreatic duct, and this is a gland, that is pancreas. We have already discussed this gland, anatomy and its hormones. It is mixed gland. This is pancreas, and here is liver. So this is liver. Liver is the largest gland in our body. It secretes bile juice, which consists of two pigments, that is bilirubin and biliverdin. So this is liver. So I am drawing this liver. This is liver. Okay. So this is our gastrointestinal tract, that is digestive system. Gastrointestinal tract or digestive system. Liver consists of gallbladder. So this is opening of pancreas. So it consists of gallbladder. Liver consists of gallbladder. So this is gallbladder, and this is bile duct. Okay. So this is gastrointestinal tract. This part is esophagus. This is esophagus or food pipe. This is stomach. Stomach consists of three parts, that is cardiac stomach, pyloric stomach and fundus. This is pancreas. This is small intestine. Small intestine consists of three parts, that is duodenum, yes, jejunum, jejunum and ileum. Large intestine, this is the duodenum part of, this is liver, this is liver, and this is gallbladder. This is gallbladder. Gallbladder. This is bile duct. Large intestine consists of 3 parts. This is vermiform appendix, which is vestigial, and this part of large intestine is cecum. This is cecum. This part is ascending colon. This is ascending colon. This is ascending colon. Ascending colon. This is transverse colon. Transverse colon. This is transverse colon. This is ascending colon, and this is okay. This is descending colon. This part is, here I am giving label. This is descending colon. And this part of large intestine is rectum. This is rectum, and this is anus. So this is a diagram of gastrointestinal tract or alimentary canal. So in our gastrointestinal tract, in the gastrointestinal mucosa, gastrointestinal mucosa means in the wall of gastrointestinal tract, there are some endocrine cells. There are some endocrine cells, and which are scattered in the wall of gastrointestinal tract. So that endocrine cells secretes certain hormones, and that hormones are gastrin, secretin, cholecystokinin, and gastric inhibitory peptide. So we will discuss all the hormones of gastrointestinal tract one by one. So first hormone is gastrin. First hormone, that is gastrin. This hormone gastrin stimulates gastric glands which are present in the wall of stomach. Gastric glands present in the wall of stomach, which secretes gastric juice, and that gastric juice contain HCl, that is dilute, that is hydrochloric acid, and mucus, and some enzymes. So this gastrin hormone stimulates gastric glands. Gastrin hormone stimulates gastric glands for secretion of gastric juice. Okay, any difficulty? So what is the role of gastrin? Gastrin is the hormone which is secreted by endocrine cells of gastrointestinal mucosa. This gastrin stimulates gastric glands for what? For secretion of gastric juice. Gastric juice is secreted by wall of stomach. Wall of stomach contain gastric glands, and that gastric glands secretes gastric juice. That gastric juice contain HCl, mucus, and some enzymes. So gastric juice play an important role in digestion. Gastric juice play an important role in sterilization, because it contain hydrochloric acid, and it contain mucus. Gastric juice also contain mucus. Mucus prevent the wall of stomach from the effect of HCl, Then another hormone is secretin. Secretin hormone is also secreted by endocrine cells of gastrointestinal mucosa, and secretin is responsible for release of pancreatic juice and bile from pancreas and liver. So secretin stimulates secretion of pancreatic juice from exocrine part of pancreas, and pancreatic juice contain water, bicarbonate ions and enzymes. Pancreatic juice play an important role in digestion, and the secretin also stimulates liver for secretion of bile juice. In liver, gallbladder is present, that gallbladder secretes bile juice. So secretin is responsible for release of pancreatic juice and bile from pancreas and liver respectively. Any difficulty? So what is the role of secretin? Secretin is responsible for release of pancreatic juice. Secretin is responsible for release of pancreatic juice and bile. Pancreatic juice from pancreas and bile from liver. Any difficulty? Next, cholecystokinin, that is the third hormone, CCK. Cholecystokinin. CCK. This is important hormone which is secreted by endocrine cells of gastrointestinal mucosa, and this hormone cholecystokinin stimulates liver. It stimulates liver for what? For secretion of bile. CCK also stimulates pancreas. For secretion of pancreatic juice, for secretion of pancreatic enzymes. So cholecystokinin, that is CCK, stimulates liver for secretion of bile. Bile juice is secreted by liver, and bile juice contain two pigments, that is bilirubin and biliverdin. So these are two pigments which are present in the bile juice. Bile juice is secreted by liver, and the function of bile juice is emulsification of fat. What is the function of bile juice? Emulsification of fat. What is meant by emulsification? So emulsification means this is larger fat globule, that fat globule which is large in size. So breaking of large fat globule into smaller fat globules is called emulsification of fat, and for the emulsification of fat, bile juice is responsible. So what is the role of cholecystokinin, that is CCK? Cholecystokinin, that is CCK, stimulates liver for secretion of bile, and that bile is secreted by liver, which contain biliverdin and bilirubin. These are two pigments which are present in the bile, and main function of that bile is emulsification of fat. Emulsification of fat means breaking of larger fat globules. This is larger fat globule. Breaking of larger fat globule into smaller fat globule is called emulsification of fat. Then it also, that is cholecystokinin, also stimulates pancreas for secretion of its enzymes. Pancreas secretes various enzymes which are responsible for digestion, that is digestion of protein means breakdown of protein into amino acid, then digestion of lipids, etc. And next hormone of gastrointestinal tract is gastric inhibitory peptide, that is gastric inhibitory peptide. Enterogastrone, that is gastric inhibitory peptide, that is peptide hormone. It is GIP. So GIP, gastric inhibitory peptide, this hormone inhibit contraction of gastrointestinal tract. It inhibits contraction of gastrointestinal tract, as well as it also inhibit gastric glands. For secretion of gastric juice, or it also inhibit secretion of gastric juice. Means GIP, that is gastric inhibitory peptide. This hormone inhibit gastric gland to stop the secretion of gastric juice. It also, GIP also slows down the contraction of gastrointestinal tract. So how many hormones secreted by gastrointestinal tract? There are total 4 hormones which are secreted by gastrointestinal tract. The first hormone, that is gastrin. What is the role of gastrin? Gastrin stimulate gastric glands for what? For secretion of gastric juice. Second, that is secretin. Secretin is responsible for release of pancreatic juice and bile. Then third one, that is cholecystokinin. It stimulates liver and pancreas. It stimulates liver for secretion of bile and pancreas for secretion of all its enzymes. What is the function of bile? Bile contains 2 salts, that is biliverdin and bilirubin, and bile is responsible for emulsification of fat. Emulsification of fat means conversion of or breakdown of larger fat globules into smaller one. And last hormone, that is gastric inhibitory peptide, enterogastrone. That hormone inhibit or slow down the contraction of gastric muscles or contraction of gastrointestinal tract muscles. It also inhibit gastric glands to stop the secretion of gastric juice.